So we at FDR. This is a new group. What's up?
What in the world?
We had a big class. What happened to them? They ran out. They couldn't. Why?
I don't know.
I had like about 10 girls in here, and I had some that was just maybe too young to be in here. Was that what it was?
Yeah.
All right, so we got 2 beautiful twins in here, and we got
What you do?
2 other beautiful people. Okay, if you mess up, edit, step back. Erase your name in there. Make a smaller brush. What grade you in?
About to go to 5th.
About to go to 5th. You excited?
No. I gotta do the project.
Why? Not excited about moving on? What you want to do? Stay in the 4th?
No.
Okay
I
then.
want to go to school
The next thing is moving on to the
I need to move.
move.
So I won't have to go to that school.
Oh, you don't like the school? You don't mind the grade?
I don't like school either.
You kinda. You don't like school? Why?
It already suck.
Why does school suck?
How you get this?
How do we make school better?
By not doing nothing. By being bad.
By doing nothing.
Yeah, less homework, less projects.
Less homework, less projects. What do you want to do? Just have fun all day long?
Honestly, I'll be bad at school.
Do you? Why?
How do you look?
You be in there too long?
Can I put a picture in there?
So okay, let's go review real quick. Okay. So the reason why we doing this is because I know y'all don't like school, but school is in the way of doing something you really like. Okay. So the thing is this: with us as black people, it's really not a lot of opportunity for us. It's a lot of people on drugs. It's a lot of crime. Y'all know what's going on. It's like a lot of unfortunate things happening to people. Okay. They don't.
Folks. Oh my God.
It's because of a lot of stuff. It's not. It's kind of like when people fall into despair because they don't have stuff. Okay. So they get mad, they get frustrated, and that's where the anger come in. Okay. So we want to reverse that, and we want to be positive, and we want to, because you guys are the future. So if it's a new app that's coming out, if it's some new shoes that's coming out, if it's some new stuff that's coming out, you guys are going to be the guys that's coming up with this new stuff. Okay. So it's about being smart and navigating through school and navigating around stuff that you don't like to get to where you need to get to. Okay? Because they wanna suspend you, they wanna fail you, they want you to fail, they want you to kick you out of school, they want you to do this, they want you to have an attitude. Okay? So it's about using your mind and thinking long range and say, okay, I want to be a designer. I want to design my own shoes. I want to have my own store. I want to have my own school. I don't like how this is going. Okay? So this is about being smart and thinking about, as I get older, I want to be able to be a leader and not a follower, okay? So you're going to have a lot of people that's going to be doing stupid stuff. You got to look the other way and do something else. There's going to be people in gangs, smoking, drinking, getting pregnant before they grown and all this stuff, okay? So this is the thing that we want. We're going to keep talking about this type of stuff, okay? So I want to tell you about the different options about 3D printing, about flying drones, about all of this stuff, having your own website and giving you power as young ladies. That makes sense? Cool. It was beautiful meeting the 2 twins. We're going to talk about these teachers and stuff, okay? We're going to talk about how we can improve the school, because I'm going to go back and say, look, y'all giving them boring stuff. We want cool stuff. We want to talk about empowering it.
Science experiments.
Okay? So next week, it was a beautiful meeting, y'all. Okay? All right? So the people that ran out on us is going to be jealous because we're going to be doing stuff, printing stuff out, field trips and all of that stuff, okay?
We're doing field trips.
Yeah.